Hello y'all, welcome back to our channel, and today also we have got another video. In this video I'll simply be showing you how you can use 360 app for beginners. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. For that purpose, of course, the first step's gonna be is like you make sure you have downloaded, installed the app right on your mobile phone, and once your app is open, make sure you are logged in as well. So once you're done logged in, you can see there are four options given below. If you go to this driving option, it will basically give you a route or your driving history. If you tap on the safety option here, it will simply show you the direction. You can simply turn this on. This will simply allow you or alert you before any crashing while you're driving, or you can even add emergency contacts for that purpose. Other is a membership option, which you're gonna buy or purchase any membership. You will be able to find details and the purchase details over here. And the other thing that you can make sure is you can simply go ahead, check your circle. You can create a circle, join a circle from this option given. You can add members. If you tap on the settings icon, this will simply give you access to your notification and circle management, where you can simply, again, in your existing circle, add member or remove member or change admin, do any settings regarding your circle. You can go ahead, go this location sharing, where you will be sharing your location with your circle members or with the family in your Life360 app. And other is that you can go ahead, find your account details, drive detection, as I mentioned before, privacy and security, support about, and logout options. So these are some basic options for you to use your Life360. But if you have a particular one that you are curious about, or how to use it or how to operate, do let us know in the comment section, and we will make sure to give an answer about it. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.